Before you begin, remove the base enclosure and battery. Removal. Note, if there is a strip of tape covering the fan and heatsink, peel it off of the fan and leave attached to the heatsink for later replacement. Disconnect the fan cable from the system board. Remove the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Lift the fan off of its alignment pins and remove. Replacement. Place the fan on its alignment pins on the top cover. Replace the two P1 Phillips head screws that secure the fan to the top cover. Connect the fan cable to the system board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.